Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send an audio file to someone on Instagram through DMs. So if you want to send an audio file to someone on Instagram DM, then here's how you can do it. First of all, I just want to make sure that you have Instagram installed, and this method will work on an Android, an iPhone, and it will even work if you're using a desktop version. Then, in order to send an audio file to someone, all we need to do is go to the Safari right here, and we're going to type in retransfer. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have an actual send file method, so we need to do it using an external app. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on send a file, and now we need to upload a file. So first of all, of course, we need to create an audio file, which we can simply do right here in the Voice Memos app on Android or iPhone, just like this. Test 1, 2, 3. Now we can see that I have a new audio file, and in order to save it to my actual files, I need to click right here on the three dots, just like this, and we're going to click on Save to Files. Now you want to make sure to click on Save, and now it will be saved in your phone. Now we're going to go back to WeTransfer, click on the plus right here, and click on Choose Files. Now we can see that this is my new audio recording I just did. Now in order to send it to someone, click on Next, and we're going to send it by using a link. Now we can see it transferring, and this shouldn't take more than a few seconds based on how big your file size actually is. Alright, and we can now see that my link is being created, and now what I can do is click on copy link. I can now go back to Instagram, I can send this file to someone, this link, and now if they open this on Instagram, they will be able to download your voice recording just like you guys can see right here. So that's how you can send an audio file through Instagram DM. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.